How to change capacity of image in the Filmora app. Have you been using the Filmora app to edit your photos or videos and don't know how to change the capacity of it? Then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. Now add the photo that you want to edit just like this. Now to change the capacity, tap on to the timeline track just right here. Then scroll to your right at the bottom on the toolbars, and here you can find the option of opacity just right here. Now tap on it. Now to change it, simply slide the slider to your left or right. Now we can see it has been changing. And after applying it, simply tap onto the check mark. And now you can see it has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the opacity of image in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.